What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara and my channel is all about making skincare products and I share with you guys the recipes I come up with. So today I wanted to share with you guys all the ingredients I recently purchased. I think I'm going to go ahead and just start off with Lotion Crafter. First off, we got some xanthan gum clear. I've worked with xanthan gum so many times, but I've never actually used xanthan gum clear specifically. So I'm excited to see how this compares with other xanthan gums. Then we have some cucumber hydrosol. I actually just used this today and I was really surprised by its fragrance. I mean, honestly, now that I think about it, it makes sense. I guess I was just expecting more of one of those like synthetic cucumber fragrances you get from like wax melts or cucumber fragrance oil. This actually literally smells like the vegetable cucumber. So just keep that in mind. It's more of a very natural fragrance. And at first I was really turned off by it, but I used it at about 10% in my formulation. And it actually, I'm kind of growing to like it. I think the more I use it, the more I like it. So another ingredient I recently purchased is, I believe it's pronounced guard cat. I don't know. Half of me really just purchased it because it had the word cat in it, but the other half of me wanted it because it is a cationic ingredient, and I actually don't have much experience working with cationic ingredients. Next up, we have some glycerol stearate, and I kind of just purchased this to have more experience with different types of emulsifiers. Let me know if you have like any information on this ingredient and specifically like what you like to use it for. I have used it in one formulation so far, but I'd like to know your guys' thoughts on it because I don't really have too much knowledge on this ingredient, so let me know. And lastly, from Lotion Crafter, I purchased some safflower oil. This is just a repurchase. I use safflower oil in a few of my products I sell on Etsy, so I just needed more of that. Oh, never mind, I lied. I got one more thing from Lotion Crafter. It's just another repurchase. It's Euxyl PE 9010. This has been my go-to preservative lately. So that is it from Lotion Crafter. Let's move on to Formulator Sample Shop. And I'm gonna start out with the new ingredients that I've never purchased before. So first up, I got some vanilla water, and I've actually already used this on my channel, so you've probably already seen it in action. I used it in two of my Valentine's Day themed recipes. I highly recommend going and watching the vanilla rose jelly face mask I made. I used this vanilla water in it, and oh my gosh, I just love that face mask. Go watch it, I'll link it down below. Then I purchased some Polysuga Quat L1010P. That name is a mouthful. This is a cationic ingredient and it helps condition the hair and skin, and this is EcoCert, so if you're looking for an EcoCert cationic ingredient to help condition the hair, this is a great ingredient. Then I purchased some quaternized honey PF. I just call this honey quat. This is another cationic conditioning ingredient. It's great to use in like body washes, face washes, hair conditioners. I've never worked with this, but I've seen a lot of formulators use this and I'm really excited to try it. No, it's not vegan. I'm completely aware of this, so you don't need to let me know down in the comments. I'm aware, honey's not vegan, but I really want to use it, so I purchased it. Then I got Active Light Hair for bleaching. It's kind of a weird name. It doesn't really explain what it is. Basically, this is an ingredient to help repair damaged bleached hair, which, hello? Pretty obvious that I have bleached hair, and I really want to try making a, I believe this would work in a shampoo or conditioner, I believe. I really forget like the formulating directions, but I'll obviously go back and read those before I formulate with it. But yeah, I'm planning on making a shampoo and conditioner with this stuff, so I'm excited for that. Another ingredient I got is xanthan gum soft. So as you've seen earlier, I got xanthan gum clear, and then there's also just the traditional like xanthan gum. These two xanthan gums, I guess I like to call them more high-end xanthan gums. They work better in formulations and stuff, at least from my experience, I think they do. And they seem to feel a little bit better on the skin compared to just your typical xanthan gum. So I really want to sit down one day and actually compare all of these just by mixing them in water and like seeing how the process goes. So let me know if you'd be interested in seeing a comparison of all of the 3 different xanthan gums I have. I'll probably post it on Patreon, but let me know if you want to see that. So the rest of these ingredients from Formulator Sample Shop are just repurchases, so I'm just going to go through them quickly. First one is baboba protein. Next up we got some cucumber extract, DL panthenol, ginger extract, and then some cocoa caprylate, which I've been using a lot lately. And that is it from Formulator Sample Shop. So let's move on to Wholesale Supplies Plus, I believe is what it's called. This is actually my first time purchasing from them, and I know a lot of my viewers do purchase from them. I've just never really had a need to purchase from them. They've never had something that I've needed that nowhere else carries until now. I got a comment, like, I don't know, a few videos ago, recommending me an ingredient that is a dimethicone alternative, and I purchased it. So that ingredient is called Lux Glide N350, and I've never actually worked with pure dimethicone, so I can't really say how it compares, but it definitely has a different consistency than those other silicone alternatives I've been using lately, like Natracel and cocoa caprolate and stuff. This is recommended to be used at like 1 to 3%, but it also says on there you can use at a higher percentage. They really don't have clear formulating guidelines from what I've seen. They kind of give the formulator a lot of power to do their own experimenting, but I tried it at 2% and I seem to like it. I've only used it once, so I really need to experiment with it in other products, which I do have some other products in mind. Any other thing I got from Wholesale Supplies Plus is some more rose clay, because I've been out of my rose clay mask on my Etsy shop for quite some time now and I needed some more, so here it is. And the last place I purchased from is MakeYourOwn.buzz, and let's see what I got. So the first thing I got is glycerol caprolate caprate. So if I remember correctly, this is a thickener for like shampoos, body washes and stuff. And I really want to experiment with more thickeners rather than just Silagel and xanthan gum. I really like to use Crothics in shampoos and stuff, but that's not EcoCert. And if I remember correctly, this is EcoCert. And I know a lot of you guys are looking for EcoCert ingredients. So I purchased this to test it out to see how it compares to Crothics. So as you can see on MakeYourOwn.buzz, it says that glycerol caprolate caprate is used as a thickener and as a surfactant enhancer for many types of surfactant blends and systems. Use it whenever you want a more natural product and you need a good thickener, blah, 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 blah. So this didn't thicken at all. I tried it in a face wash. I tried it just thickening water by itself. I tried it just thickening a surfactant by itself. I only tried it with 2 different surfactants. So I don't know if maybe that's the issue. Maybe it's only active in specific surfactants. And if that's the case, they should have specified that on the formulating guidelines. But anyways, I did find a similar ingredient on Formulator Sample Shop called glycerol caprolate. So it's only off by 1 word, which 1 word can completely change an ingredient. But at the same time, there is something called cocoa caprolate / caprate. So is caprolate and caprate like similar words? I don't really know. But yeah, this ingredient seems really similar other than its description. It says that it has moisturizing properties and it has co-emulsifying effects and emulsions. It solubilizes and is pigment dispersions. It says it's a white waxy solid, which the one from MakeYourOwn.buzz also is. They have similar suggested usage levels. The only difference is Formulator Sample Shop mentions that it is only oil soluble. MakeYourOwn.buzz mentions nothing about water solubility or oil solubility. So I don't know. Are these ingredients the same? I can't say for sure because they are off by 1 word, but let me know if you can enlighten me about this ingredient at all. Maybe I just used it wrong. Totally let me know down in the comments, please. Then I got some macadamia nut oil. I just sort of wanted to purchase some oils I've never worked with. I've never worked with this one. Wanted to see how it compares. Let me know how you like macadamia nut oil. Oh, there's more in here. Where's my other oils? Okay, so apparently they were all in the fridge because these oils need to be refrigerated. So the other oil I got is pumpkin seed oil. I've seen this used in some formulations on the internet before, and I don't know, it's pumpkin. It sounds cool. I wanted to try it out. I just wanted to try out some other oils, okay? That's why I purchased it. I got some more evening primrose oil. I've been out of this oil for quite some time and I really like this oil, so I repurchased some. And same goes with rosehip seed oil. I really love this oil. This is probably one of my favorite oils. This, sunflower seed oil, and almond oil, jojoba oil, and meadow foam seed oil are my favorite oils. If you can't tell, I use those a lot on my channel. But I've been out of this oil for quite some time, so I finally repurchased some. And as you can tell, I've used quite a bit of it already. I really like this oil. But yeah, that is everything I purchased. Let me know if you have any questions over these ingredients. Let me know if maybe you have any tips on formulating with some of these ingredients. So let's move on to the Patreon shoutouts. At Stardust Bath & Body over on Instagram, Nature's Farm Girl at naturesfarmgirl.com, Kennedy's Essentials at kennedysessentials.net, LettsBlend at letsblend.bigcartel.com, Creative with Love at creativewithlove.me, Wallflower Wildflower at wallflowerwildflower.com, Heartfelt Beauty here on YouTube, at sugared_pineapple over on Instagram, KAJ Bath & Body over on Etsy, Blue Mint Soaps at bluemintsoaps.com, Saytera here on YouTube, at Salt Air Label over on Instagram, Lanice Beauty at lanicebeauty.com, Ardrew Naturals at ardrewnaturals.com, sharkcitynaturals.com, sharkcitycbd.com, Ohana Lay at ohanalay.com, and at Danny Botanicals over on Instagram. And one more thing, if you guys didn't know, I do sell products myself over on Etsy. I'll have my Etsy shop linked down below, along with all of my lovely patrons. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Later!
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm frozen. I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision, now I'm on a mission to find myself.